Good morning. It's dark and early and chilly. We had the weather flip back from spring to winter on us here, and it was extremely windy. So I didn't even come out into the woods yesterday because I knew there'd be a lot of trees falling down. And to my surprise, or not so much my surprise, I guess, upon arrival at my fire pit this morning, this is what I found. So I'm glad I wasn't here because that's right where I sit. Woo, look at this. There's exploded branches and wood everywhere. So a widowmaker tried to make me a widower. Yeah, see, that's right where I sit. And luckily the fire pit was spared any real damage. I definitely have my work cut out for me this morning with the Silky saw. So let's get started on the cleanup at the fire pit. Sure glad I missed this widowmaker's appearance. Look at the size of this thing. Wow, just keep going and going. It's thick. This tree is thick. It came from up there somewhere. Get a better idea in the daylight. But yeah, let's saw some wood. Oh my God, it's minus 21 Celsius, minus 7 or minus 6 Fahrenheit, and I am sweating. Woo! Jeez, cutting up this widowmaker is a lot of work, but it's good exercise and a good test of the Silky saw. So let's see where we are now. Got it cut in half. You can see it's a pretty good size. My hand. So I think I can pull that section out of here now that I cut it in half there. And get this section out of the way that way. Lots of firewood right next to the fire now, so that's kind of handy. That's one bonus. There's always a bright side. Well, not always, but let's hope most of the time. Let's get back to it. Ciao. All right, got that fallen tree out of the way. Now I just got to fix up the fire pit a little. It took a little damage here. Got some caved in rocks. And my vent is still open. That's been great for keeping this fire pretty much smokeless. As long as I'm burning dry wood, it burns beautifully. So I just got to fix this up and get a fire going. Whew, it's been a busy morning. Ciao, folks.